Unong aiktin jong Khuborjylla ubadeiru Menteri Ketanak Social Welfare uba Paul Lyngdoh ulapintip baga Khyndailad kan sadeno Tang kajaka Iaid Kjat hadin beladep pan penkendri alut ye Kiba syong di madan syakawai pat kajaka balapen kre da Khuborjylla. Menteri ulapintip ru baki artli kajaka baka sorkar kalapinbet bakin deno kilinti Iaid Kjat kikentup ye kawai kalinti na Khyndailad kaban mi sy Umsohsun bat kawai pat kalinti na Khyndailad kaban mi sy Jail Road. Laithu bana kabenta ki kali barung bami sy kite kajaka en bo da Khubor bat kendairu tang gitu ki balayo de ki kenja jingbit ne ki pas.
One major plan that we have been advocating is the pedestrianization of the entire road from the entry point to Khyndailad up to Jail Road on the right side and Umsohsun on the left side.
So there will be beautification.
Beautification, there will be pedestrianization, and only those staying in that particular area will be issued passes which will allow them to reach their homes, and that also it will not be throughout the day. We will have timing, entry timing and also exit timing. We will enforce to ensure that pedestrians are safe to walk through. So there will be specific hours for them to leave the area and to enter the area.